Visual, fast cuts of luxury lifestyles, stressed young people, and a digital screen loading up with Ways to Earn Money Online, 2025. If you're between 18 and 30 and still relying on one paycheck, you're playing financial roulette with your future. The internet has flipped the rules. You're either using it to build wealth or you're fueling someone else's. But here's the thing. Most people are still stuck Googling how to make money online like it's 2012. Today, I'm going to show you the latest 3 ways people your age are making serious income online in 2025, without a boss, without burnout, and without boring surveys. Because let's be honest, if I hear one more video say start a dropshipping store with zero context, I might scream into a pillow. Think freelancing is just writing blog posts or designing logos? Think again. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs have turned everyday people into micro-agencies. You can now offer voiceovers, scripts, or visuals without ever being an expert. The opportunity? Clients don't care if a human or a machine did the work. They just want results, learn the tools, sell the outcome. Translation: you don't need to be Shakespeare, Picasso, or Morgan Freeman. Just be a smart middleman. 2. Skill tokenization and digital courses. If you've ever learned something the hard way, you're qualified. People are packaging their experience into mini digital products. Think $27 Notion templates, short-form courses, even skill NFTs. One creator made $12,000 in 72 hours from a guide on how to land tech interviews. Imagine getting paid while you sleep, work out, or binge Netflix. But the most explosive trend? It's not just income, it's equity. You don't need to be Mr. Beast to get a piece of the pie. Platforms like Ko-fi and Rally allow fans and early supporters to own equity in creators. It's like being an angel investor, but at $5 or $50 stakes. Smart 20-somethings are turning attention into assets. This isn't side hustle culture. This is legacy building. What will your digital footprint be worth in 10 years? $10 or 10 grand? You've seen the possibilities, but earning money is only half the battle. Want to learn how to turn small gains into generational wealth? Watch my next video on the power of compounding. It's on your end screen right now. Don't just earn fast, build forever.